Welcome to the Daily Transmission. I'm Lee and today we're going to show you how to change a spark plug. Let's get straight to it. When replacing the spark plugs on your car, it's always a good idea to replace like for like. If you're unsure, you can always pop out to your car, remove one, take the code on the side of the plug, and they're the ones you can reorder. The plugs I have just removed from this engine are a VW Audi labelled Bosch plug with a code W7DTC. The new plug we are putting in today were ordered from Brickworks, and I went on their website to have a look to see which was the best plug, and that is a Bosch Whiskey 7DCO or W7DCO plug. First thing you need to do is locate the spark plug you want to work on and remove the HT or ignition lead. Using a spark plug socket on your chosen ratchet, remove the spark plug. Make sure the spark plug hole in the cylinder head is clean and free from any dirt, and install the new spark plug. Tighten the spark plug up finger tight, then using the spark plug socket, just tighten it up 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn, or when it's tight. Do not over tighten a spark plug. Last thing then is replace the HT lead or ignition lead and start your engine. Thanks for watching today. If you would like to see more videos like this, please head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk. See you next time.